What's up everyone, it's your boy at Fred Easy. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. On this quick episode, we'll be cleaning the engine bay on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Alright, let's get it. This procedure will be similar for other year models of the WK2 Jeep Grand Cherokees from 2011 to 2021. We'll be using Chemical Guy's all clean, all purpose cleaner and degreaser to help lift the dirt up and out of the engine bay. Tools of the trade today are a garden hose, engine degreaser, detailing brushes, and a couple of towels. As an option, if you don't have engine degreaser, any automotive soap or dish soap would work. And if you're in a rush, you can use a leaf blower or air compressor to use air to help dry the engine bay faster. For our WK2 Jeeps, the battery is located inside the Jeep, so we don't have to worry about it getting wet. If you're concerned about damaging any electrical parts, simply disconnect the battery. Today we will wash the engine bay with the battery connected to show y'all it is safe to do so. We're going to begin by pre-rinsing the engine bay with water while the engine is cold. The key thing to remember is that the engine bay is water resistant, not waterproof. So we'll be using a garden hose on shower mode to gently wash away the loose dirt. We don't want high enough water pressure to blast through the electrical rubber grommets and into the connections. After pre-rinsing the engine bay with water, let's get our degreaser out to help lift the dirt up and out of the engine bay. Today we'll be using Chemical Guy's all clean, all-purpose cleaner and degreaser. This baby is fairly concentrated, so we will dilute it by 30%. Once we have our degreaser sorted out, let's liberally spray the entire engine bay. Next, once the engine bay is sprayed with degreaser, let's grab our detailing brushes and go ahead and brush the engine bay by agitating the surfaces to get the dirt up and out of the way. Take your time and use the brushes to get the degreaser into tight spaces. After that, simply hose down the engine bay gently with water. If the engine bay is still a little dirty, repeat the process, but instead of engine bay degreaser, use automotive soap. Brush it down with detailing brushes again and rinse it with water. Alright, home stretch. Once the engine bay is clean, let's use some air and blow the engine bay down quick. This will help move the water out of the engine bay faster. After that, let's wipe down the engine bay with towels until dry. Once dry, use plastic cleaner / dressing on the plastic pieces to get them nice and conditioned. And bam! Congratulations, you have just washed the engine bay of your Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2. Pretty easy, eh? Let's go ahead and start the Hemi and see if we get any issues. Look at that, no codes and the Hemi is running smooth. Now we can go to the show and pop that hood, baby. You can find a link to our other Jeep Grand Cherokee episodes in the comments, as well as the instructions in the description below. Thanks for watching everyone, hope this helps. Peace.